Tuna fish salad, tuna niçoise. Dressing. Small clove garlic, peeled and crushed. 1/2 tsp salt. The garlic and salt could be 1 tsp garlic salt. Few twists of black pepper. 1/4 tsp sugar. 1/2 tsp French mustard or Dijon. 1 tsp lemon juice. 1 tbsp white wine vinegar. 3 tbsp olive oil. Salad. 2 cups 8 ounces, 450 grams French beans, whole beans topped and tailed. 1 crispy lettuce, iceberg or similar. 1 medium 7 ounces, 200 grams canned tuna fish, drained and flaked. 6 hard-boiled eggs, quartered. 6 tomatoes, quartered. Garnish. 1 small 2 ounces, 50 grams canned anchovy fillets, drained. 12 black olives, stoned and halved. 2 cans tuna, drained and broken into large chunks. Optional, tablespoon of capers. Cook the beans in boiling water until just tender, about 10 minutes, drain and refresh in cold water. Take the dressing ingredients and mix together. I put it all in a jar with a lid and shake it to mix. Be careful when you take the top off as it can sometimes froth over. Set to one side for the flavors to amalgamate whilst you assemble the salad. Line a large bowl with lettuce leaves. Pile the tuna into the center and arrange the beans around it. If you're using pasta, this is when you would arrange that around the outside edge as well. Alternate egg and tomato quarters in a ring around the edge. Crisscross anchovies over the tuna and arrange the olives in the grid. Also, if you've opted to use capers, then scatter these over before adding the dressing. Give the dressing a final shake and then pour over the salad evenly.